I'm Dr. Lutz Medi, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So the subject what I am going to take is CS8088 Wireless Ad-hoc and Sensor Network. This is an elective for final year 7th semester. The objective of the topic is to understand the issues and the challenges in wireless ad-hoc. So first you have to know what is a MANET, Wireless Mobile Ad-hoc Network. So MANET is an ad hoc network. It is formed as needed. So it does not require support from any existing network infrastructure. Any network existing network infrastructure is not needed. The formal definition. What is the definition of ad hoc MANET ad hoc network or MANET is an autonomous system of mobile nodes of your mobile MS mobile nodes are also serving as router connected by connectionless wireless links, the union of which forms a communication network modeled in the form of an arbitrary communication graph. What do you mean by autonomous system? The keywords given is autonomous and mobile nodes and wireless links. And autonomous does not require support from any existing network infrastructure, but might be able to use such a support if possible. Such support might be available from time to time. Support could be an internet gateway or some fixed station. Next, what is how different from cellular network? It requires infrastructure, base station, then message switching center and backbone, etc. So not ad hoc. Characteristics of what are the properties of manets? It's dynamically changing topology. Changing will be in unpredictable manner. We cannot predict the manner. So since nodes are free to move, so the free motion is allowed. So we cannot predict the way it changes. Limited power available to nodes. So usually communicates only with neighboring nodes. Among other reasons to save power, peer-to-peer, no more or less important nodes, information transformation via store and forward. So using multi-hop routing, MS also serves as routers. In asymmetric unidirection, when transmission power of nodes on its ends is different. So MS2 moving to a new location, so mobile nodes is 2. So this MS1 to MS3 will be symmetric link. MS4 to 7 is an asymmetric. It may be in a symmetric link or it may be an unsymmetric link. So MS4 to 7 is stronger than the MS1 to 3. So smooth nodes move, the mobility is there, the connectivity changes, the topology information must be updated. MS2 changes attachment, MS3 to 4, so it has to detach from 1 to 2. The communication characteristics of manets. So each node equipped with a wireless transmitter and a receiver with an appropriate antenna. It's impossible to have all nodes within each other's radio range. When the nodes are close by within each other radio range, they can communicate directly. So if direct communication is there, then no routing is possible. Since it's 1 hop away, so it's within the short distance. So wireless connectivity modeled by a random multi-hop graph between the characteristics of ad hoc nodes. So we will be having the dynamic topologies. Topology may change dynamically as the nodes have the mobility. Bandwidth constraint, variable capacity links. Wireless links have typically lower capacity than wired. Realized throughput of wireless communication is lower than the radius maximum transmission rate. Link capacity is relatively low. The congestion is common. Energy constrained operation. Nodes in ad hoc network may rely on batteries or other limited energy sources. Energy conservation may be a dominant in the design factor. So limited physical security, more prone to physical security threats than wired networks. Many attacks, eavesdropping, spoofing, and denial of service attack are easy. Decentralized network control eliminates single points of failure. Better reliability, scalability problems as network is larger. Applications is variable computing. It is used in military or defense applications, crisis management application. So in the case of, for example, natural disaster, where the entire communication infrastructure is an disarray. Telemedicine assistance by a surgeon for a emergency. Telegeographic applications, queries depending upon the location of the user, GPS and GIS. Virtual navigation, data from remote database transmitted to navigation device in a car. may contain graphical representation of streets, buildings, and the latest traffic information. May assist driver in selecting a route. So, education and internet access K-12, continued education, etc. for people in remote areas. Email by bus in remote villages. So challenges in MANET. So changing topology. The nodes in MANET by definition it is free to move within or out of the network and causes frequent location changes, link breaks, and maybe the adverse effect of this may be a packet loss. This is one of the major challenges faced by the MANETs. As the node mobility increases, transmission impediments can occur. Then the other challenges are limited physical security. We cannot secure that. We cannot say it's secure. Then dynamic topology, since mobile nodes have mobility, scalability. The network may be extended to any number of nodes, and the lack of centralized management. No centralized coordinator will be. So possible questions are: list out the design issues of wireless ad hoc networks. Write down the challenges of MANET. Thank you.